In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Teams on your Mac. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Teams installed and ready to use for meetings, chats, and collaboration. Let's start from your Mac's desktop. Open your preferred web browser. This could be Safari, Google Chrome, or any other browser you normally use. In the address bar or search bar at the top, type MS Teams or Microsoft Teams and press enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Microsoft Teams. Look for the official Microsoft Teams website in the results. It should clearly mention Microsoft and Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and click on that result. On the Microsoft Teams page, you'll often see an option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button for Microsoft Teams. Don't worry if you don't have Teams on your Mac yet. This is just taking you into the Microsoft environment where you can access the download. Once the page loads, look for a link or button that says Download. This is usually labeled something like Download Desktop App, or simply Download. Click on that download button. The website will automatically detect that you're on a Mac and prepare the correct installer for Mac OS. After you click download, your browser will begin downloading the Teams installer file. This is typically a file with a PKG or .dmg extension, depending on how Microsoft is packaging it at the time. Wait for the download to finish. You can usually see the progress at the top right of your browser or in a downloads area. When the download is complete, open your downloads folder or click directly on the file from your browser's downloads list. This will start the installer. A new window will appear guiding you through the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You will usually click Continue, Review and agree to the license terms. Choose the installation location and then confirm the install. Your Mac may ask for your computer password to allow the installation. Enter it if prompted, then let the installer run. Once the installation finishes, you can close the installer window. Now, open your Applications folder and look for Microsoft Teams. Click to launch it. The first time you open Teams, you'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account or your work or school account. After you sign in, you're ready to start using Microsoft Teams on your Mac.